Hi, this is my book about parts of speech. Let's see what's inside.
Hey, sis, can you help me with my homework? Noah, I am busy with my homework. It was a great day.
Yeah, it was.
I'm almost finished with my homework. Mom, I don't understand this homework at all. What happened, Noah? Teacher said to learn parts of speech, but these words are fighting in my head. Let's look at it together. Words don't fight, Noah. They work together.
Come sit. Let's make them friends.
Okay, Dad.
That's the spirit.
We're friends now. Noah, English is like a big family. Every word has a job.
And those jobs are called parts of speech.
So, words have jobs like you, Dad?
Exactly.
Noun is a naming word. It names a person, a place, an animal, or a thing.
Name like Noah? Like Lily. Place name like America. And London. Name of a school like Noah and Lily English School. Animal name like tiger. Things name like book.
A book? Yes, a book.
Even love and happiness are nouns.
So, I'm a noun?
Exactly. You are a very special noun.
I'm a noun too.
That's right.
Yes, you are a very special noun. For example, Noah reads a book. Noah is a noun. Book is a noun. Now saying Noah again and again sounds boring.
So we replace Noah with he.
A pronoun replaces a noun. Examples: he, she, it, they, we. Noah is happy. He is smiling.
I'm he.
Yes, you are.
Hee hee.
A verb shows action or state. Examples: run, eat, sleep, is, are. Noah runs fast. Lily eats fruits. Emma sleeps well.
Every action is a verb.
An adjective describes a noun. Example, red apple. Happy Noah. Big house.
Beautiful sky.
Milk is white, juice is orange.
Adjectives give color to language.
I like adjectives.
This park is awesome.
Yeah, look at the trees.
Keep walking, you two.
Race you to the flowers.
Adverbs tell us how, when, or where. Examples: quickly, slowly, yesterday, here. Lily runs quickly. Emma is walking slowly behind.
I am tired of walking. Even yesterday I had a long walk. Me too. My feet hurt.
Lily, where are you? Noah, I am here. Adverb adds style to action. Let's learn preposition. The book is on the table. The cat is under the bed.
The ball is between the boxes.
I am behind Dad. I am beside Mom.
Preposition shows position or relationship.
Conjunction joins words or sentences. Examples: and, but, because, or. They help us connect our thoughts and make sense. I like milk and juice.
I was tired, but I finished homework.
So it's like glue? Yes, grammar glue.
I get it now.
See, it's just a tool to help words stick together.
Cool. Wow. That's interjection.
Interjection? It shows sudden emotion. Examples:
Wow. Oh, ouch.
hooray!
Hooray, I understand now. Let me try. Lily is a kind sister and she helps me quickly.
Perfect sentence.
See, words are not scary. They are powerful. When you understand words, you understand the world.
Parts of speech are not difficult. They are fun. Can you write one sentence using all 8 parts of speech?
Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe
To Noah and Lily Family English.